This video is for SENSEL telematics, and we are here to demonstrate the geo mapping for SENSEL telematics. So, geo mapping, in geo mapping we have around four options, and you can actually geocode a particular location and capture a geofence, which means a region. You can capture a region, and whenever a vehicle enters into that region, you'll get notified, and whenever the vehicle gets out of that region, you'll get a notification on that. And how can you capture the reference route? We'll tell you about that, and this is about disabling the vehicle alert. Let's first start with geocoding a location. How to geocode a location? Uh, let's start with geocoding a location. We have clicked geocode a location. Now let's enter the vehicle number which we want to geocode. Let's say it's MH02CR231 and click submit. That will give you the exact location of that vehicle, and you can always zoom in and zoom out for that particular location. So the vehicle is in Satyanagar, and you don't want to be displayed as Satyanagar. If you it want to be displayed as some things like Vivek Transport. So you can geocode with the name of Vivek Transport. You can just click on here and mark your place. You can mark your place, give your details, what road it is, what place it is. You can place it at Vivek Transport, which city it is, district and state. And if you click submit, that location will be identified as Vivek Transport. So this is how you can geocode a particular location. So let's check out of course you have to submit with all your details, and then it will geocode a location. Next, we can cap how do we capture a geofence? Geofence is nothing but a region. You can capture a particular region. Whenever any vehicle enters into that particular region, you will be notified. So uh, let's zoom in a bit, and then I'll tell you how do we uh, capture a particular region. Let's say we are capturing a region from Kalam. Let's say it's 2 kilometers or 5 kilometers. So what you need to do is right click on it, and let's click on geofence. So if you drag it, right click, and if you drag this position, so that region will be geocoded. So okay, I'll zoom it up a bit, so you can, so it will gives you a better idea. Okay, so this is the region we have selected from Kallam. We can always name this particular region, let's say ABC, and range in meters. So in what range you want? You want it in a range of 5 kilometers, 2 kilometers, or say 10 kilometers. Let's say it as 5,000 meters. That means 5 kilometers. So in this region of 5 kilometers, whenever a vehicle enters or moves out, you will be notified. How you will be notified? You can be alerted via email or SMS or both. uh, the next is it will generate three kinds of reports. What is in report? Whenever a vehicle enters into that particular region, only input, you if you are interested in only the input report in that particular region, you can have only the input report, or out report, or both in out report. So it will give you three kinds of reports. And whenever a vehicle enters into that particular region, it alerts you with a message, and whenever a vehicle moves out from that particular region, it will be notified to you via email or SMSs. So for that, you need to provide your email address and your phone number, and click submit, and that particular region will be geofenced. So this was about geofencing. And next, how do we capture a reference route? People will be driving the same route, or vehicle will be traveling in the same route. So for that, you have a dedicated path for it. For example, if we could check out the Vivana Mall region, uh, so you have a definite path from here to here. So you want to fix that part. You don't want your vehicle to divert it from that particular path. So what you can do is Now, well, you can select a vehicle from a drop down here, MH02CR231, and click on from date or to date. Let's check out from 3rd to 4th. We'll have uh, the route for that particular region. So this is the route. So this is the route that has been taken. Now you could see this is the fig. You want to make a fixed and dedicated path to it. So what you can do is zoom it a bit so that you can see clearly. So from Koli to Malji, you can fix a location or whatever. So whatever distance you want to cover, you can do that, or you want whatever the path you want to dedicate that has to be fixed. So you can just right click on that and capture as source. So that is fixed. Source is fixed now. Now you can capture a destination. Let's say from here to here, the path has to be fixed. So right click on this and capture destination. So now this path has been fixed. So whenever a driver takes a diversion from this path, let's say he wants to come from here and take a diversion from here and reach somewhere here, then he can't do that. He If he does it, you will get to know by an alert. So you are defining a path that a driver has to move. This is the part you have to move. You can't take any diversion. If the diversion is taken, it is intimated to the owner of that vehicle. So this is about how to capture a reference route. Again, you can always disable vehicle alerts and all the stuff. This was a video for SENSEL telematics. Thanks for watching.